There's a few of my swivel knives and some of the blades need sharpening. I picked out one today that I would like to use the keen edge sharpener made by Craftool, and I'll show you how I use that tool to put a accurate sharp edge on my swivel knife blades. Today I'm doing a review on the keen edge sharpener made by Craftool. I've got my swivel knife blade in the sharpener, and I've got a leather wedge that I cut. It's cut at a 60-degree angle, and what I do is I do a visual and set this shaft where it's lined up properly. Then I put a scratch mark on this shaft as a reference. Each blade you use, though, will be different, so you probably have to reset it every time. That was just an idea. So once I get my edge sharpened like this, I've got 3 whetstones. This is a Norton man-made stone. It's got a coarse and a smooth side. If your blade's really out of shape, you may start with the coarse just slightly, then go to the finer side. And then I've got an India stone here, which is a medium grit, be equal to like a medium or a soft Arkansas. Then I have a black hard Arkansas up here. You can tell when to stop. One thing you don't want to do is just keep grinding and grind away too much blade, but as soon as you think you've got the proper angle on it, it'd be good to go to the next stone. Put a little honing oil here on the stone. Apply a little pressure right there. Do a visual and then go up to your finished stone. Okay, now I'd like to give you a close-up of this process. I'm going to, rather than loosening the shaft here with this set screw up here, I'm going to use the set screw here to turn it 180 degrees. So when I do that, I'll need to set that on my bench or wet rock to make sure the blade is squared up. Okay, I've turned my blade 180 degrees. Now I'm sharpening the other side. And this is hitting at a different spot. So what I need to do is go to this coarse side and get just a little bit rough with it to really lay that edge on back a little more. Yep, it needs a little more. I really like that. I've got a clean, crisp edge right there. Okay, I'll wipe the blade off. Now I'm going to the India stone here that I've got some oil on, honing oil. Now I'll step up to the black hard Arkansas here. Now once you have an edge set like that, it's easy to come over to your wet rocks and do a quick tune-up without the use of the guide, as long as you stay with the same angle that you've got set in there. So I'll take the blade out. It is very sharp now. I'm very happy with that. And if you would like to put a little crosshatch on there by hand, you can do that. Gives it a little added cutting edge there. And now you're ready to put the swivel knife blade back in the swivel knife and go give it a test. Thanks for taking your time to watch this tutorial on the keen edge swivel knife blade sharpener made by Craftool.